Welcome to Tech Help Canada, where businesses come to support their growth. Today, we're diving into 10 online businesses you can start that are actually profitable. Whether you're looking to break free from the 9-to-5 grind or explore a lucrative side hustle, these ideas offer flexibility, scalability, and high earning potential. We'll not only explore each idea and its profit margins, but also give you actionable steps to get started right away. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel for more business insights. Let's get started. First on the list is freelance writing, a cornerstone of the gig economy. Businesses are constantly looking for skilled writers to create blog posts, articles, newsletters, and marketing content. To get started, pick a niche like personal finance, health, or technology that you're interested in or experienced with. Create a portfolio by writing sample pieces or contributing guest posts to blogs. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great starting points, but as you grow, aim to secure direct clients who typically pay more. Freelance writing is low cost, with profit margins exceeding 85%. Rates can range from $50 to $200+ per article, depending on the niche and project complexity. To scale, offer additional services like editing or SEO optimization to boost your income. Second is graphic design, a lucrative field for creatives with a knack for visual storytelling. Businesses need logos, branding materials, and digital assets, making this a high-demand service. To begin, learn tools like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or Canva. Build a portfolio showcasing a variety of projects, from logos to social media templates, even if they're just mock designs. Share your work on Behance or Instagram to attract clients. Projects typically pay between $50 and $300, with profit margins ranging from 70 to 90%. You can increase earnings by offering bundled branding services, such as logo design, business cards, and social media kits. Third is web development, one of the most profitable online businesses today. Every company needs a website, and demand for skilled developers continues to grow. Start by learning coding basics like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript through platforms like Codecademy or Udemy. Practice building websites for friends, nonprofits, or small businesses to showcase in your portfolio. Begin charging $1,000 to $2,000 for small business websites, scaling up to $10,000 or more as your skills grow. Profit margins range from 60 to 80%, depending on software costs or subcontracting. Adding services like SEO optimization or maintenance packages can provide recurring revenue. Fourth is online coaching or consulting, a business perfect for experts in any field. From fitness coaching to career consulting, people are willing to pay for personalized guidance. To get started, define your niche and outline a program or framework for your sessions. Offer free or discounted consultations to build testimonials and refine your approach. Use Zoom or Google. Meet for virtual sessions and create a website to showcase your services. Hourly coaching rates typically range from $50 to $200, with profit margins of 70 to 85%. To scale, create digital products like courses or workbooks to complement live coaching sessions. Fifth is running an e-commerce store, one of the most accessible ways to start an online business. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy allow you to sell everything from handmade crafts to drop-shipped items. Focus on a niche market to differentiate yourself, whether it's eco-friendly products, personalized gifts, or trendy gadgets. For handmade items, prioritize high-quality materials and strong branding. For dropshipping, research suppliers carefully to ensure fast shipping and quality control. Profit margins range from 20 to 50%, depending on sourcing and pricing. Use social media to market your products and consider upselling complementary items to boost revenue. Sixth is social media management, a business perfect for digital-savvy individuals. With platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn becoming crucial for brand growth, businesses are eager to outsource their social media needs. Start by learning how to use tools like Canva for content creation and Hootsuite or Buffer for scheduling. Create a portfolio by managing accounts for small businesses, nonprofits, or even mock brands. Focus on driving engagement and showing measurable results, like increased followers or website traffic. Social media managers can earn $500 to $3,000 per client per month, with profit margins ranging from 70 to 85%. To boost income, offer additional services like paid ad campaigns or influencer outreach. Seventh is becoming a virtual assistant, an excellent option for those with strong organizational skills. To begin, outline the services you can offer, like email management, scheduling, or customer support. Create profiles on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to showcase your expertise. Specializing in tasks like social media scheduling or bookkeeping can help you attract higher-paying clients. Rates range from $15 to $50 per hour, with profit margins of 80 to 90%. To scale, you can subcontract work to other virtual assistants as you build a larger client base, effectively managing your own virtual assistant agency. Eighth is online tutoring, ideal for anyone with teaching experience or expertise in a specific subject. Start by identifying a niche, whether it's academic tutoring, language instruction, or hobby-related skills like music or art. Create a profile on platforms like tutor.com or VIPKid, or market your services independently through social media. Hourly rates range from $20 to $80, with profit margins of 85 to 90%. For scalability, consider creating pre-recorded lessons or downloadable resources that can generate passive income. Tutoring offers both financial rewards and personal fulfillment. Ninth is offering digital marketing services, a growing field as businesses prioritize online visibility. Begin by learning core skills like SEO, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Platforms like Google, HubSpot, and Coursera offer free certifications to boost your credibility. Build a portfolio by working on small projects for local businesses or nonprofits, showcasing results like increased website traffic or conversion rates. Digital marketers can charge $1,000 to $5,000 per client per month, with profit margins around 60 to 80%. Focus on a specific niche, such as e-commerce or healthcare, to differentiate yourself and attract premium clients. Finally, number 10 is selling handmade crafts. Unique, personalized items have a dedicated market on platforms like Etsy and Shopify. Start by identifying a niche, such as eco-friendly home decor or custom jewelry. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your products and drive traffic to your store. High-quality photos and engaging product descriptions are essential for standing out. Profit margins vary from 30 to 60%, depending on material costs and pricing. To increase revenue, offer customizable options or limited edition collections to create urgency and exclusivity. And there you have it, 10 online businesses you can start that are actually profitable. Each idea offers flexibility, scalability, and the opportunity to align your work with your passions. By following the quick start steps we've outlined, you can take action today and build a business that works for your lifestyle and goals. Thank you for watching to the end. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to Tech Help Canada for more actionable insights. Until next time, keep pushing beyond your limits.